Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Esther Jogona Lifestyle. I'm back with another interesting video. Yeah, so today I decided to start my vlogs outside my house because I always vlog in the house. Yeah, and I'm so glad to be back here with another video. Yeah, so I'm here to welcome our new subscribers. Feel at home. Welcome so much. Yeah, and the reason I'm starting this vlog outside is because I met one of my favorite people. You have seen him before. Yes, and I want him to say hi to you.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is David Jr. and I'm so happy to be here. You last came at our home some weeks ago.
Is it weeks or a month?
Or
It's a month already. Yeah.
But today we're here.
Yeah, we are here now in Nairobi.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he just called me and he told me he's around Nairobi, and who am I? I had to leave the house to go and meet him.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
we are here.
How is Nyambuhanzi?
Everything is okay. Just trying hard.
Mom and dad?
Everybody is fine.
Yeah, I'm so glad to have seen you again.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Yeah, welcome to Nairobi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
though it's cold here compared to
cold.
where I'm coming from.
Of course, but you can adapt, and although I know you are not staying so long, but my wish is for you to stay a little bit longer so that we can maybe talk, interact kidogo.
I'll come.
You look for another time.
Come, yeah.
But even you did nice to come.
Longer.
Yeah, you did very well to come and to come and even say hi to me.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Yeah, so we are here.
You are here today
with David Jr. So nini imekuleta Nairobi?
I came to do a few activities and also some things are just personal and then I'll be back home.
You see how generous he is. He came to Nairobi and he knows that he know us who are here, but he had to call me to just come and say hi.
Exactly.
So I went to find him somewhere in Nairobi. Yeah, and I'm so happy. Yeah, so I can't wait to be back to Nyabuhanze because I'm planning to come.
You should.
I want to come and see the progress that is there because I'm hearing that there are good progress
Things
over
have
there.
really changed.
Cindy,
people are working hard there.
Even
just
as we are trying to work so much.
Sure, everybody should work hard, which is a good thing. There is that the fruit for success. You feel good when you achieve something.
Yeah. You see how cold Nairobi is?
Yeah, Nairobi is cold.
It's freezing.
Nairobi is freezing.
But tumezoea.
We are used to.
Yeah, so guys,
we are used to.
Yeah, he's going back. He's going somewhere. He's rushing somewhere.
Yeah.
So I don't want to take a lot of his time currently. Yeah, so I think we're gonna end this vlog here with
so short.
It's quite short. Yeah, very short. But do you mind us having more time?
Yeah, when I come next time, for sure we'll do many videos, and as you just said, you'll come to our village.
Yeah, I'll look for a time. Maybe on September, because on August the kids are closing the school, so I can't manage to travel when my baby is back. Yeah, so maybe on September.
Yeah, September.
Yeah, that time I can manage to come.
Yeah, I can't wait to see you.
Tell my family something here.
Hey, we're glowing. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. We really appreciate. I'm here in Nairobi for a short period of time, and I felt like I should pay a visit to Esther. Yeah. Just to create this video with her. And for me, I say thank you so much. And if you're my fan out there, kindly subscribe to her channel, road to 5K subscribers.
Yes, I'm on the road to 5K subscriber, and this is my name over here. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Yeah, it's Esther Jogona Lifestyle, and he's
kindly check me out too. Road to 100K.
Ooh, how are you feeling so far being on 50K?
It feels good by God's grace.
So I can't wait to be where you are.
Yeah,
I know it's a good feeling. Sisi tunangangana huku. I'm at 1,000, around 1,400 subscriber, but I'm hoping for the best to attain a little like 5,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Yes, so thank you so much, Debbie.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Even I've never vlogged outside my home.
Oh, you're kind of shy.
Yeah, I'm
Huh?
kind of shy outside. You see how people are looking at us. So I'm not used, I don't have that confidence. But David Jr., you are the best.
You're
You are
welcome.
making me feel comfortable. And
Yeah.
once I buy the GoPro, the first vlog I'll do with
GoPro
you.
camera.
Yes, and I'll come to Nyambohan's.
I recommend a GoPro camera because it creates amazing videos,
Yeah.
and also it captures wide angles.
Yes.
So it's the best.
Yeah, once I purchase it, I'll come to vlog with you to
Sure,
show
I
you
can't
how
wait.
confident I am.
I can't wait.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for being here.
Sure.
Yeah, so we are on the way and we are next to this building like
People are really building here.
they are
Even I get
building like no
motivated.
business. Yeah, so this is where we are and I'm so glad to be here with him.
Wow.
So, see to
Yeah, we'll see you in our next video, guys.
yes. I'm in the kitchen and I want to show you something because I'm heading out late now. Yeah. Yeah, so this is after I met with David Jr. I had to come back home and refresh again. So I'm going out in, I'm heading to bypass in short. Bypass ya Ruiru. Yeah, so I'm going because of that fridge because I require another new fridge in my house. Reason being, this fridge I bought it second hand, but it has served me too much since 2014. And the reason I want to go and window shop, I'm not going to purchase today, but I'm going for window shopping. So nilisikia mahali kuna offer ya kampuni inajiita Heya something. They have an offer and they have a big shop located in Ruiru bypass. So I'm heading there to see kama nitawezana na bei and then I can pay pole pole. Yeah, so see the situation of my fridge. So hapa imevunjika mlango. I have been surviving with this and the door has not been closing so well. And again, uko nyuma ya fridge, that tray that hold maji, juu ni ile fridge za kitambo, so huwa ina form ice in it. So when it's formed that ice, when you reduce the fridge temperature, that water ikimelt, you find your kitchen it's full of water. So I'm going because of that, because that tray ilichomeka, so it doesn't have that tray. So it has a lot of problems. So I need to go and buy a window shop. So but at least it's still assisting me because you can see bado ina mold easy my ice. So I'm going to window shop. So let's go together to bypass. Okay, so we have aligned. I'm here with my bestie. Yeah, so we are along Eastern Bypass in Luilu. Somewhere is called Labi Center. This is along Eastern Bypass. Yeah, so I want also to renovate my kitchen, but not now. But I found this company here. It's called Labi Center. So they are selling this granite at a fair price, and I requested to do a video in their shop, and they agreed. They are so generous. Yeah, so I went and had the price. So, but I want to show you before I get to the fridge. The hire company is here behind. So I'm going to take you along with you. So this is what they are selling, and imagine ni granite naenda for 15,500 and they are on offer. So you can see it was 17,500, now it's on 15. Yeah, and then there is this one, this side. Can you see this? Iko 24k. Wah, hizi vitu ni mzuri wewe. There's another one black in color and it's going for 19,500 and it's not on offer, that one. Yeah, so let me show you. On this side kuna hii yenye iko, it's kind of brown and gray and it's a very nice one, although it's not my taste, but it's going for 14,500. It's called Indian Porino. Rabi Granite. So this is a Rabi center. That's where they are located, and this is where what they are selling. But I was thinking of settling to this, but on gray, on the gray color, and it's going for 10,000. So this is so good, and it can give your your kitchen a very good look. Yeah, but for me, I would prefer gray of it. Yeah, no, the gray color. Kama hii. Hii texture. This is what I'm saying, guys. I'm thinking of settling on this one. Yeah, like in hii color, black and gray. But this one is on another video. Will come on a kitchen makeover video. Yeah. So let's go inside. Wow. Come in, guys. Wow. See this, guys. Wow. Guys, they have a lot of stuff. Hey, these are outdoor nini. Zile matters are outdoor. Wow, I love this. Guys, if you are building, come to this shop. It's located along Eastern Bypass. Hey, hizi vitu ni tamu. They're kinda metallic na ziko affordable, 62. This is their price. Wow. Kama hii, you see the difference. This one has like full mari ya kuweka towel juu nne, and that's why it's going for 6,250. And then this one is going for 3,200. But you can see it's ziko different sana. Kuna hii iko na mbili, hiyo ndio ya 3,200, na kuna haka kamoja ndio ka 2,900. That is equivalent to 3K. Wow. Let's see this side. Ebu oneni hizi. These are sink. Hand sink. This is in tamu and classy. This one is going for 21,500. Hey, la big granite. Hey, mumeweza. Can you see this? Hey, God, one day when I'm building, I want this one. This is so unique and classy, so elegant, guys. Oh my goodness. This one is going for 24,500. Wow. Wow. Hey, see another one. Kuna hii pia. It's grass. It's made of grass and it's going for 24K. Wah, sijaiona kama hii. Yeah. Hata kama mimi siko mshamba, but hizi vitu ni tamu. Those are chandeliers. Wenye wanajenga. Hata hii ya stairs. Do you see how long it is? 92,000, guys. It's in black and gold, and I mean black silver, and there's another gold and silver. This is so elegant, so magnificent. I've never ever seen something like this. Hey, me, I feel like touching them. This is so classy, guys. Wow. Guy, this is so good. Can you see this? I came this side to look for the fridge, but I saw this shop and I could not hold my eyes. Hey, I couldn't hold my eyes. I had to come into this shop because we dream big. We'll get here and we are going to build us. Hey, take easy. African. Hey, they're in African theme. Why? And they're made from granite. Can you hear that sound? This is so good. This is me. Wow. Hey, everything here it's made of granite. 61, 62K. Hey, anyway, I love it. Ever see those picture frames, guys? Okay, imagine this one. That the grey one is going for 8,400. These are kitchen themed. That one is for 8,000. Wow. 83. Wow. This is so cool. And I love the way they organize their thing. Hakuna kitu huwezi ona ukiingia kwa hii shop. Wow. They also have deco items over here. Lakini wako bei kidogo juu. This one is 1150 and in City Market unaweza ipata na 500. Wow. Wow, guys. This is so good. This side, there's a shower.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this?
This one, you can see them. You can find them in the hotels. Those people who are building.
You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away?
Miss Ngendo, how is this? Hey, I'm here with a girl called Miss Ngendo on YouTube. Go and check her out. Wow. I'm blown away, guys. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. This one like this is going for 12,000. But I think, imagine zinaenda na nini kama hii ya black, it's 18,500. But it's so elegant and classy, guys. I can't wait one day to wear it. Like this. Hey, you have blown my mind away. Ever see these nini console tables?
Those words are kind of hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't want to see you cry again, and no matter how the story.
These are console tables, but you can see like this one. Only console table is going for 16,000. Only in Zambia Center. Then there is this magnificent, name it. Hey, console table Mila, and the console table itself is going for 1,000. For the Mila is going for that 7,500. This is nataka watu. So guys, we arrived on this side where the fridge were located, and it was on the third floor, and they had a lot of varieties of mini fridge, different one with different liters. Yeah, this company is called Heya, the way you name it, and this was the longest one. Yeah, it had 3 doors, and it's a twin cooler inverter. Yeah, so, and it had a water dispenser on it, but it was not on offer this day, although so many things were on offer. So it was going for 101,000 Kenya shilling. but I really loved it so much, so I had to mute my original voice because there was a lot of music on the background. I didn't realize that until now when I was recording. So this is a freezer, and up there it has a fridge, normal fridge, and then on down it has freezers. Okay, yeah, so it's mainly like built like it says America, but ilikuwa mzuri sana, but the bay was too high. Then there was this small one. Yeah, yeah, so fridge was na differ na rates, but nakwambia this is the one that made me feel like, oh, I want this one, but it was going for 89,000, and I have seen it in Carrefour at 92,000. And the best thing with this shop, because it's their own shop, they told me I'm going to be given discount. So that meaning I'm not going to buy it at 89,000. I'm going to take it at 85,000. So this is the inside of the fridge that I fell in love with. It's quite big. It's so spacious. It has a lot of storage area. Yeah, so that is the chiller box. Hata yenye niko nayo itoshani hivyo. And then the storage, it has a lot. So mainly this is what I fell in love with, but I didn't have money to buy it that day. I was just going for window shopping, but they told me there is lipa na pole pole. So meaning I can pay that percent of the amount that nimepewa, and then the rest I'm going to be paying small. So this was so good, guys. It was so good, and I felt like the price was quite fair, because here they had stated it's going for 89,000, but they told me they on discount going for 85,000. So I was so in love with it. So once I managed to purchase it, I'm going to do a nice tour of it when I'll be bringing it to my house. But I really loved it. Even the color was so good. It wasn't like that bright gray. It was quite dark gray, which is so nice and unique. Yeah, so on this shop, this is the third floor, they had a lot of varieties, the recliners, the dining tables, washing machines, TVs, freezers. Like meaning they have everything in this shop, but it's only for their company, this company called Heya. And these washing machine are so good for there's a inbuilt, except niliona tu moja yenye like watu sisi wa kuhamahama, like the one at the end, and it was going for a very quite fair price. It just say it's 40,000 for 12 kilograms kgs. So it had a washing area and a dryer, almost the one I have in the house, but it was so good. And the covers were, this cover, they were made of glass. Hey, I couldn't hold my eyes. I was so amazed. I didn't even know what to say. I was blown away. So hii side ni zile friji kubwa kubwa za wale watu wenye wameshamaliza kujenga. Yeah, hii friji nayo ilikuwa inaenda almost 300,000, guys. And it was so good. You see, the price is 291. But kwa wale wenye wamebarikiwa kufika hapo, all the best. It was so good. Hata si tutafanikiwa one day tufike hapo tupate kama hii. Yeah, and it was so amazing, guys. So maybe you can check them once you need a fridge of this company. Wako na bei mzuri. Yeah, so let's continue with the rest of the video. And I couldn't imagine. So hizi ni nini za maji zile zinaekwa kwa mabati, and then they had a lot of cookers, but kuna hii yenye moja ilini amaze because it had even the time. Hii ni kuka, like wanakuonyesha mpaka venye ukijenga unafaa kukua. Yeah, they had a lot of varieties, the freezers, you name them, and a lot of recliner seats. Guys, that has been it. I'm going to end this video over here. So hope you have loved this content. I'm going to show you when I bring that fridge at home, so you're gonna see the tour of it, everything. Yeah, so If you want such items, just kindly go and check them in Eastern Bypass in Wiru. They are called this building called Labi Center. Yeah, so kindly consider to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you have been searching for such content. I will be so glad, and have a lovely time wherever you are. Yeah, see you on my next video. Peace, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.